Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a sweet potato and chickpea skillet. This is a quick, easy, nutrition-packed one-pan meal. This recipe is inspired by Darren Macy, her website, and the recipe will be in the description box. So let's get started. So this recipe calls for a sauce, guys. So that's what we're going to do first. We're going to put in 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard. And then it calls for 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. And this was a Dijon mustard that I just picked up. This is the Whole Foods brand. And then we needed 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. One tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Need 2 garlic cloves. And then we need 1/4 tablespoon of the cinnamon. This is the cinnamon that I got. So I'm just going to do a little sprinkle as opposed to doing a pinch. And then it needed, I don't have any kosher salt, and it needed salt. So I'm just going to use my sea salt. And just put a little bit in. And then it also needed black pepper. So I'm just going to use a little bit of that. Taste it. Tasty. Okay, so this is whisked really well. And then we're going to go ahead and start on the skillet. So I have everything all chopped up. It's basically a sweet potato, an apple, Brussels sprouts, red cabbage, and the red onion. And again, the recipe will be down in the description box. I'm going to get everything set up, and I will see you guys in just one moment. Okay, guys, I'm back. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my vegetable broth, and this is just the organic 365 Whole Foods vegetable broth, and I added in 1/4 cup, and then I'm going to add in the sweet potatoes and the Brussels sprouts. I'll try to get this a little hot. Adding in the sweet potatoes and the Brussels sprouts. And then with this recipe, we're going to be adding in the vegetable broth a little at a time because they're just going to kind of steam. So I'm just going to add in a little bit now. And then I'm going to put the lid on, and then we're going to steam these for about 8 to 10 minutes. So I'll be back once they're steamed. Okay guys, I'm back. And now I am going to add in a tablespoon of olive oil. A tablespoon of dry rosemary. And we're going to add the sliced red onions. The red cabbage. And the apples. Okay guys, I'm back, and I'm going to add in the chickpeas and the sauce that we made earlier. And then after that, just let everything warm up for probably for about 2 minutes. So to use a spoon just a little bit to help it out. Mix it around. Up. Okay guys, I'm just going to let this warm up just an additional 2 minutes, and then I will be back. So guys, this is the finished dish. It's full of nutrients and it's very tasty. So subscribe to see more beauty, hair, and lifestyle content every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment below if you're going to try the sweet potato chickpea skillet. Stay healthy and happy, and remember to keep pursuing your goals, plans, and dreams. You got this. Bye guys.